Okay, in this video I would like to share to all of you about a tutorial in Sketchup how to make a hanging canopy on a carport. Okay, I have already prepared for this for carport, and first step we have to make side frame on carport to be a canopy holder or canopy hanger. Okay, first of all we have to make structure column with a rectangle. You can set it any size or you can adjust with standard structural size. Okay, you can set the height around 3000 millimeter anyway. Then you can make it component as usual. Then you can create it, and then you can move it on the right side, and you can erase or modify some unnecessary object right here. Okay, maybe you can modify this center column to be smaller than before, and then you can and after that you can make canopy with a rectangle anyway. So you can follow this step, and you can scale it with the scale tool right here. You can adjust it to the back side, and you can improve it until it will be appropriate canopy in this, and then you can set the height of the roof canopy is around 2400 millimeter, and then you can push it up with standard dimension, and you can make it group, and then you can adjust maybe you can rotate it anyway. Maybe you can rotate it with a rotate tool right here. You can set the position of the rotation in this position. Maybe you can select the 5 degree for angle approximately. Then you can use this holder, or you can make it higher than before. You can see it, you can make it higher than before to make appropriate structure hanging anyway. Then you can make a line, and you can set to this position anyway. You can see it, you can set to this position, and you can use a circle to make object to make hanging tie, and then you can select a follow me and just create it. Okay, and after that you can make it group, and then you can select a rectangle to make a holder right here, or you can select a rectangle again, sorry, or you can select rotate rectangle in this position, so you can see the body holder. Okay, maybe it's just for schematic with maybe it's just for a schematic anyway, schematic connection anyway. So you have to set to the another details design anyway. Then and after that you can make it group. You can make the component to be one group, and just position on the left side anyway. Then you can flip it along with the right axis anyway. Then you can move it to the same position by the right side anyway. And then you can make a roof texture right here. You can make a roof texture with this roof, and you can adjust the color anyway, or you can just use this color only. And okay, and after that you can make water draination. You can make water draination. Okay, you can make a water drainage. and you can push it to the front. It's around 150 millimeter, and you have to offset it inside a little, just a little bit, and just push it down. And then you can make group and just move to the bottom just a little bit. Then you can make a canal for rainwater. Okay, by this circulation. Okay, you can use a circle to make a pipe right here. You have to use circle and just select the line. You can just select the line anyway and just select a follow me, so you can get the rainwater arrangement, right? So this is about a system how to make a rainwater arrangement. Also, then you can make it group anyway. I'm sorry, you can make it component and just create it, and then you can move to the right side and just flip it along with the red axis anyway. Okay, and just press move and just press on the center position of it, so you can see the detail about a hanging canopy on a carport, and it also about a rainwater drainage. Okay, thanks for watching.